Did you know Kim Kardashian has a strict waxing routine that keeps her skin flawless? We've uncovered the secrets, and you won't believe number 7. Stay until the end, and we'll show you how to recreate a celebrity waxing experience at home. While we don't have access to Kim's personal beauty team, we've researched expert-approved techniques that mirror what high-end estheticians recommend. Glamorous clips of smooth skin, luxury spa setups, and celebrities. The obsession with smooth skin. Why flawless skin is a must in Hollywood. How waxing beats shaving for long-lasting results. The self-care and confidence aspect of luxury grooming. Kim's public statements about loving smooth skin. The $500 plus spa experience Kim likely uses. High-end waxes. Brazilian blue wax, hard wax, sugar waxing, pre-waxing, skin prep that makes a difference. Why luxury spas use organic ingredients and aromatherapy. Commented ons, hydrating serums and LED therapy. The VIP waxing routine step by step. Exfoliation. How celebs prep their skin 24 hours before waxing. Temperature matters. Why expensive salons use precise temperature control. Stretch and technique. How professionals get closer results with less pain. Aftercare rituals. Avoiding redness, bumps, and ingrown. The special pre-waxing products celebrities love. Skin-soothing oils, for example, coconut oil, chamomile. Why hyaluronic acid serums are applied beforehand. The numbing cream trick some VIPs use. Importance of hydration for smoother waxing. The areas Kim likely waxes that most people ignore. Fingers and toes, yes. Celebrities wax here. Jawline and sideburns, smooth makeup application. Back of the neck keeps updo hairstyles flawless. Belly and lower back hidden but polished. At-home waxing tricks inspired by Kim's routine. The DIY luxury wax brands closest to pro salons. How to mimic spa quality results at home. Best pain-reducing techniques professionals use. When to avoid waxing sensitive skin days. Secret ingredients found in luxury wax brands. Gold-infused wax. Is it really worth the hype? Caviar and collagen blends. Anti-aging benefits. Aloe and chamomile, natural redness reducers. Why fragrance-free is best for sensitive skin. What makes celebrity waxing different? Hand-applied wax technique vs traditional strips. Private, exclusive salons with NDAs for VIP clients. Custom-formulated low-irritation wax. Full-body wax combos, legs, arms, underarms, and bikini. Hollywood's most expensive waxing services. The $1,000 plus full-body wax experience at top-tier spas. Why some wax artists charge $200 plus per session. The celebrity home visit, treatment, yes. Estheticians make house calls. How price affects quality. Cheap wax can damage skin. Waxing vs laser hair removal, which do celebs choose? Waxing vs laser cost breakdown over 5 years. Why Kim and many celebs still choose waxing. Laser downside skin irritation, multiple sessions. Why waxing is better for certain skin tones and hair types. 4. Subscribe for more luxury beauty hacks.